Welcome to the in front of me Vivo V23, and I'll show you how to turn off always on display feature on this device. So first we should go into the settings application, and after that click here to the lock screen and wallpaper. Here we can see the always on display section. We can just turn it off here by click on the switcher by this way. Also we can just click on the always on display section and turn off switcher just here. And after that we'll check the lock the device, and you can see that the AOD feature is turned off successfully. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.